Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Toolman. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you how to replace hinges on a cabinet door. First, take your screwdriver and unscrew the top screws of the cabinet door. Once you have completed the top screws, move to the bottom screws. The bottom screws are no different than the top screws. You're going to take your screwdriver and unscrew the bottom screws of the cabinet door. Once you have the cabinet off, take your screwdriver and unscrew the 3 screws on the top and bottom hinges of the cabinet door. Now you're going to take your old hinges and your new hinges, throw away the old hinges, and take the 3 screws that are on the top and the bottom of the cabinet door and use those screws to screw on the new hinges. Now that we have the new hinges on, screw the cabinet door back into the cabinet. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.